Area I truly salute and I do welcome for football in Pidgin. After match, talk about how you say. I beg if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on the notification button. Fulham 0 and Arsenal 3. And we'll get Oga Shorty will be going to get Arsenal for make and tell us about how you see this game. Oga Shorty, now how you see your team performance today?
It not dey surprising to me because it not shock me. The reason why it not shock me now because the only thing we sabi dey do na to win matches. You understand? So now I don dey clear for everybody eye. Say the Arsenal wey everybody know before, not being be this one. So if you dey write Arsenal off before, if you write am off this season, na still at your own detriment. So today match dey very very okay. Even one Man U fan sef dey say he like Arsenal football, dey smile. Even when Man U sef get red card, na Arsenal game na e take happy comot for here. So everybody know say Arsenal deliver today. Powerful football, good defense, good midfield, good strikes, and good wingers. Everybody play ball.
So who will be your man of the match for today's performance?
I give am to Trossard. The reason why I give am to Trossard, na say I not too know when he dey Brighton, but when he come here, he dey play 9, he dey play wing, he dey still dey get that spin. He not be just Steve kind of player wey just say for a wing. He not be like Antonio wey dey use one leg, dey still dey go left, right side for the level. He dey turn, he dey spin, he dey rotate, he sabi pass ball. He dey hold the ball when he wan hold the ball to gather crowds. The way Odegaard take dey do am. So to me, Trossard and I be our man of the match.
Trossard, man of the match.
Yes.
So I ask you about the title race. We see yesterday say Man City win. Today, Arsenal don't respond win. How you dey see the battle between these two teams?
Basically, Man City na strong side. Like, we hear me take respect Man City again. Na be end of season. When we dey watch the match for here. I can't dey test, yes, wey they win Man City 2-0. I can't dey tell somebody say, this match when I dey see so, Man City go come back, Man City go equalize, Man City go win. And they get that team. And they don't do am even season before last. So, I dey see the dread Man City, but not be say I dey fear them. You dey get, time go come, you go show who go collect am. But I still stand say, this league don go. Arsenal don collect the league. Otilo, far, long time ago. The one that they talk now, so maybe na next season, but for this season, na Arsenal get am.
So I want to ask you about Arsenal game for Europa League. Arsenal go play Sporting for the Emirates Stadium on Thursday. The first leg 2-2 draw for Portugal. How do you see that return leg for the Emirates Stadium?
The first leg is strong, but the second leg for Emirates Stadium, that one I walk over because my Jesus don come. You understand? So trust and self dey. So wetin I just need from my coach Arteta, this same players wey we take start this game, more use am take go start out that one. The one take put Reece Nelson for second half, more take put am. As in, more carry that game say na our final. Because if we carry that game say na our final, anybody who wan go play again for the next draws, they go know say Arsenal mean business. Arsenal dey come with it. For me, my prediction for that match na 2-0.
2-0 to Arsenal.
Yes, sir.
So you talk about Gabriel Jesus now. 4 months he no play for Arsenal.
Yes.
How you think say this in return go be for Arsenal now? Because title race dey, Europa League dey. How you think say this in return go be for Arsenal as an Arsenal fan?
This in return na victory. The reason why I say na victory. The guy, if he not dey score goal, he dey assist. If you know the assist, he dey ginger players. It's not just only box to box. Don't be only box to box strike. I sabi dribble too. So there's no way you go tell me say even though as don't even come back, say you don't lose the form totally. I totally disagree. I believe say that guy still get something to offer, and he go do am again because the team miss am well. Minus scoring goals, creating of assists, he dey do all those things. So I believe say as he dey come back, so he go come back with more voltage.
All right, now, Agashasi, thank you for your time.